Hey, this is Don from Paralock Technologies again, back with another video. This time, this is going to be a gear reveal. Got some packages in the mail, and I want to show you guys what I got. Now, this is going to be a short video, so I'm going to just get right to it. If you haven't done it already, please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support the channel, that helps me get more gear, helps me get equipment that I can lab and teach, consider becoming a member, man. I got some members. I appreciate you guys. I also got some free things dropping. I'm working on a CCNA field guide that's going to help anybody that's trying to get their CCNA. This is going to be a last mile guide that will help you push you over the edge so you're completely prepared for it. So if you haven't done it, either become a member, link's going to be in the description, or just do me a favor, share, comment, like, and subscribe. And I appreciate any way you do it, I appreciate it. So let me go tell you about the gear that I got. So I'm going to reach down here and grab the first one, and then I'm going to reach back down here and get the second one. Bam. So here is the new piece of gear that I got. This is a desktop version here. This is the Cisco Secure Router 8, I think it's 8111 G2 MX. Now, what's important about the MX, and you know what, I'm going to move my camera down just a tad bit. What's important about the MX nomenclature on this will work with Meraki. Cisco Secure Router, they do have two different styles here. They have the normal Secure Router and they have the MX version. This one is a desktop version of the MX version of the Secure Router. Look up Secure Router. I think this is the new thing that Cisco is really pushing. So got my hands on one of them, but this is the desktop version. This is not a 1U, obviously, right? So what are the ports that you get with? So we look up here. We have two WAN ports, which are, and I have to do this in reverse, right here. These are two WAN ports. And then we have a bunch of LAN ports here. Now, these are not MGig capable, I believe. I got to look at the data sheet, but I don't think these are MGig capable, but they are PoE. So what I'm going to do is I'll create another lab in my organization. Now, I do have the advanced security licenses. So guess what I'll be doing in this network that I'm going to build? I will be doing the scalable group tags or security group tags. And I will be showing you how you can use Meraki to enforce scalable group tags or security group tags for my ICE heads on the Meraki network, right? So you get the same TrustSec feel without utilizing ICE per se. Now, the second thing I got is the switch. So this is a MX138X. So this is 8 ports right here. We got some SFPs here too, but we have 8 normal ports here. And the 2 here are MGig ports. So depending on what I plug in, I can get up to 2.5 gigs, right? Now MGig only works when A, you have the cabling that supports it, and B, you have the NIC that supports it on the other end, right? So I do believe they are pushing the new laptops. I think I saw one the other day that has the MGig functionality into it. So if I plugged an MGig capable NIC into an MGig capable port using something like Cat6a, I would get that 2.5 gigs. So these are the two pieces of gear that I got. These two. Now these are smaller versions. Again, this is a desktop version. You probably will see this in a Soho kind of design or like a small retail corner store or stuff like that. You'll probably see this here because they won't have any space to actually have a rack. So you'll just have this sitting somewhere, something like, I've seen this set up here a bunch of times. So it'll look like this in my lab, but I've seen this like in real world production environments as well. Now, again, main thing I'm going to be doing with those is I'm going to set it up, probably do some auto VPN because I don't think I have an auto VPN video for Meraki. So I'll show that if you haven't seen that before. And then I'm going to do the scalable group tag stuff on this gear here. Okay. So be on the lookout for that. Again, if you haven't already, please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to support this channel, help it grow, help me buy the gear so I can do the labbing and put out more, membership only videos and some exclusive stuff as well in terms of like work product and all that. Consider becoming a member, man. Like I said before, I think this video is going to be 5 minutes long, so it was short this time. It wasn't my typical short video, hour-long video kind of thing. Really appreciate it. Again, love you guys. Thank you. and have a nice day.